you want to add stickers and stuff in your photo and make it more cooler, then you have come to the right place. So actually in this video, I'm going to show you how to add stickers in your photo. So without any further ado, let's direct in. Let's tap into the Pixlr app, and let's say I want to add sticker in this cool looking image over here and make it even more cooler, right? So let's go to this element option at the very bottom, and you can see stickers option. Let's tap in there. So here you can see autumn stickers. So you may have noticed this crown at the top. So that indicates that he cannot use this. You need premium access in order to use this. But don't worry, there are so many cool stickers where you can use for free. Suppose let's use this one. Let's tap in here, and you can also work with opacity. Like, since my original image is more into like, yeah, so I want to keep it less opacity. Maybe this is okay, maybe a little more. So let's at the bottom, let's keep it in the bottom, and yeah, it's looking cool. So let's say I want to add another one as well. Okay, this one looks cool, like the dragon. This is totally the vibe, like this is matching with the photo. I want to keep it in the head. Working in the capacity, like maybe, yeah. A little, yeah, 64 looks great. Maybe a little bit more. So, okay, this is how you add stickers. Oh my god, can you see what I'm seeing? It's like looking much cooler. It's almost looking like I've put so much effort in this photo, but in reality, I just added the sticker and worked with opacity. That's all I did. So yeah, you can find more ways to, creative ways to edit your photo and add sticker to it. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.